2023, vote for Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We will give you good road. We build schools. We build infrastructure. We make sure that we reduce the salary of public workers. We will make sure that we take you to good school. We will make sure that we give you good hospital. Nonsense. Nonsense. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, nonsense. Come and rule. Come and rule Nigeria. Come and rule Nigeria. Come and rule Nigeria. I can't be you now. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they have used you and dumped you. You think you are very wise. You think you know it all. You have been selling the Gaussians. You sold your people. You sold the Yoruba people to the Northerners. You sold the Yoruba people to the Northerners. Then I call B now. I call B Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You want to contest for 2023. You want to become the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Come and become the President now. Shame! Bola Ahmed Tinubu, shame, shame. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. You ruled Lagos State for 8 years. There was no development. You didn't do anything. You use it to acquire properties. You acquire a lot of land. You acquire a lot of wealth. You didn't do anything. Now you are not the APC national leader. Now, are you still the APC national leader? No. They have kicked you out of the game. You think you are very wise. Lagosians tell you, you know, yeah. They want you, you know, green. You say on a story. When the time is right, yeah, they're not the 30 person. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you have disgraced yourself. Go to Aso Rock now. Go to Aso Rock. Go to Aso Rock. When we keep telling you, do the needful. Do what is right. Do what is right. Do what is right. You never leave a good reputation. Never. Rather, you want to destroy Lagos State. You keep fighting the Igbos, fighting the Biafra in Lagos State. You want to kick them out of Lagos. You want to kick them out of Lagos. You told them that they're not they trust Igbo people. That was what your wife told Igbo people during Buhari election campaign. He said they not they trust Igbo people. They not they trust Biafra people. Now they can't trust now. Now they trust. Did they trust you, Bola Ahmed Tinubu? You have never been trusted. If you are trusted, they will not remove you as an APC national leader. They kick you out of the game because you don't know yourself. You don't know yourself. Go and tell the Gaussians what you see. Go to Aso Rock. They are waiting for you in Aso Rock. Tell them what happened to you. Come and tell us. Just like Oshomole admit to his removal. He admit, and he said he pledged loyalty to Buhari. Come and rule. I heard somebody said on Twitter that you have the force to rule, that you can become the president even without the support of President Muhammadu Buhari, that you have the crowd, you have the people who is going to vote for you. And I told that person, try it, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Try it. If you don't find yourself in Kuje prison, you will find yourself in Kirikiri. They will send the FCC after you. You think we have forgotten the pulley van? The fully van inside your compound. Deji wrote to file an application against you to the FCC boss, Magu. But they rejected it. They didn't swing into action. They didn't take any action because we are the national leader. Now go and confess. Come and make math now. If they will put you in back of the counter. The FCC will come for you. They will arrest you and they will probe you. Because all of you have criminal case. Now you cannot speak. You have to keep your mouth shut. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, go and hide yourself. No presidency for you for 2023. Nonsense.